Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you trying to keep the dice rolling in the Monopoly Go but running out too fast? Here's a quick, legit method to get more free rolls in 2025. As you can see, my dice count is almost empty. Here, go to your browser and head to the website shown on the screen. Here, getmerolls.com Monopoly. Open your browser. This will generate your free dice rolls. Here, enter your game ID. Here, click which is your platform, Android or iOS, and how many dice do you want. After that, I have filled my username, my platform, and amount of dice. Now select continue. You can see it's the player is found, they have mentioned, and resources have been generated, but there is a verification required. Here you can see you need to verify. Click on it and it says install this app and complete level 9 to unlock this content. It's a free app, download it and play till level 9. Once you complete that, go back to Monopoly Go and check your dice count. You should now see your free rolls added. This works on both Android and iOS. No hacks, no nonsense. Just a clean method. Like and subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips.